Hey, we're the Crafty LumberJacks. I'm Andrew.
I'm Dennis.
And we're here with Worx Tool talking all things MakerX, specifically their new mini blower.
Yes, now if you're new to the MakerX, it's a system of tools created for crafters, DIYers, and makers. They already have a whole bunch of tools, including the wood and metal crafter, the rotary tool, the angle grinder, the heat gun, and one of our favorites, the airbrush, and it's still growing.
Yes, all the tools you need, made better, smarter, more precise, and portable, tools designed with you, the creator, in mind.
What's so awesome is that all the tools connect to this main hub. And even the main hub is evolving. It now comes with a clip and a USB port so you can craft on the go. The hub then connects to the PowerShare 20-volt battery.
Meaning we had a lot of use with these batteries.
Yeah, you can use this for any tool that Worx carries that has the PowerShare 20-volt battery line.
Yeah. This is the mini blower. It comes with a nozzle that you attach just by putting it in like this, and then you want to attach it to the hub. Now there are two power switches, one on the hub and one on the mini blower itself. You want to make sure that the dial on the hub is set on minimum, and then you can press on the hub and then press on the blower while holding it. And the dial allows you to decide how much force you want with the blower.
Yes, and this gives a lot of force. What's so great about the blower is that it can be used for a wide variety of different craft projects. We've actually used it for alcohol ink and for resin projects, but you can also use this in your shop to clean surfaces. You can use this for your electronics to dust off your computers, or if you have a messy workstation with a lot of sawdust or, clippings, you can use that to just blow it off and then sweep it up later.
Yes, or even if you're just hot or want to pretend you're in a music video.
Yes.
Let it go, let it go. Woo! My hair.
Now, what I love about the mini blower is that it's pretty straightforward. There's no maintenance required, and it's really easy to use.
Yes, now safety first. If you are blowing anything with particles or anything that could go into your eyes, we do recommend that you wear goggles.
We'll be back here soon chatting all things MakerX, and we hope to see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye.